guys, what's up? This is Ratul again and welcome to my channel Accessible Computing, access to technology with accessibility. Today I am going to show you how can you download your COVID certificate via WhatsApp bot. If you have taken first dose or second dose of covishield or covaccin, whatever, you can download the certificate by using WhatsApp bot. So I will give you step-by-step tutorial today, so don't miss it. And before starting, I would like to share one thing. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon, choose all notification to get latest updates. And we have many types of social media groups like Facebook group, Telegram group and WhatsApp group, and also Telegram channel. So don't forget to join, because there we will share any types of updates related to technology, sharing latest version of applications or much more. So if you don't want to miss those updates, please join. The links are given in the description box. Firstly, I will give you a number. Please save it in your phone book, or you can use the click to chat application. The video of the click to chat application has been already posted in our YouTube channel. You can watch it, or I'll try to give the link in the description below and the I button. Okay, so firstly you have to save it or use the click chat application. So the click to chat application. So the number is 9013151515. Again, 9013151515. I will share the number also in the description box, so you can copy there. So I have already saved, so I'm going to my WhatsApp business.
WA business. WhatsApp business. WhatsApp locked. WhatsApp business. Type a message. Edit box.
So here is a type a message. I'm backswipe again.
Emoji. 7,000,044. Generating an OTP for the number 7 billion. MyGov Corona Helpdesk. Out of list.
This is MyGov Corona Helpdesk. I have already some chats, some text with this number, but now I'm typing.
Type a message. Edit box.
Type a message. So I'm typing here.
Showing English. India. QWERTY. Keyboard.
Download certificate. Okay.
Capital D. Board. O. O. W. W. Download. Mode. Certificate. Certificate. 4.
Download certificate. Okay.
Generating an OTP. Editing. Download certificate. Edit box. Out of list.
Now I'm sending this.
Attach. Button. Send. Showing English. India. QWERTY. Keyboard.
I need to wait.
Showing items 12 to 16 of 16. 7,044,300,000. Generating an OTP for the number 7,044,367,976. You will receive an OTP from Cowan. Please enter the 6-digit OTP below within 3 minutes. Backhand index pointing down. 1635.
Okay, so here is an OTP which I have received in my mobile phone. So I have to send the OTP. So just
keyboard expanded. Cowan messaging now in a 658,010. It collapse button. Add lock. Password encrypt dots.
Copying the OTP.
English India QWERTY 1635 code 6 copy but copied successfully.
Copied. Then
Overview. WhatsApp business.
Go to the WhatsApp again.
WhatsApp business. WhatsApp locked. WhatsApp business. Generating an OTP for home button. Type a message. Showing recently copied or 606 650 658,010.
Pasted the OTP here and send it.
Attach. Send button. WhatsApp business. Generating an OTP. Here is the member registered with this number. Backhand index pointing down. 1. Rachel Vasuk. Light bulb type 1 for downloading Cowan certificate, or type menu to view the main menu. 1636.
Okay, so here if you have 4 members with the registered with the numbers, okay, so must you have to send the download certificate from the registered mobile number. Okay, so if you have the 4 members, the 4 members name will come, but in my case only I have registered only one. Okay, I have registered with my mobile phone, so in my case I will send 1.
Type a message. Showing English. India. 2. Comment close features menu. 1. 1.
Now send it.
Send. Showing English. Keyboard hidden. Showing items 12
Let's
to 20
see
of 20.
what will happen.
Here is the member registered with this number. Backhand index 1 16. Here is your COVID-19 download certificate 2112 delivered. Download button. Here is your COVID-19 vaccination certificate, smiling face with smiling eyes.
Here
1637.
is your COVID-19 vaccination certificate. Wow, my certificate is here. Now how can we download? Left, right, swipe.
Certificate D36 Phase 2 is 633 05 3 F2 FT5E00B 7485. Download button.
Download button. So I'm clicking here to download it.
Image. Type a message. Show certificate D3 forward to button.
Now the certificate has been downloaded in our WhatsApp documents. So if you want, you can upload it Drive. If you want, you can save it in your computer. If you want, you can download or save it in your Telegram, because Telegram is very useful application. So if you want, I will discuss different video fully in Telegram. Okay, so that's it for today. And one more thing, my mother tongue is not English, so if I have made any mistake, please pardon me. And if you like the video, please press the like button, share with your friends, and leave a comment into the comment box that how the video is helpful for you or how the video helps you. Okay.